Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate you the NMap command for the port specification. So you need to go with the application and type here for the NMap, and you can specify here the command like NMap, then your target IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. Then for the port specification you need to type -p and then port number. So we are specifying here the port number, that is 21, and click on enter button. It will display we are scanning the port 21. This is associated with the TCP service and the ports are open, and the services that are available for the port number 21 is FTP. If we are scanning it for port number 80, then we can type here nmap 192.168.1.1-p port number 80, and for port number 80 the service is HTTP. So the output like this, the port number 80 //TCP, then port is open and our service is HTTP. Now, if suppose you want to scan for a specific port range, then you can type here NMap 192.168.1.1-p and then port number 21-100. So it will start scanning the port which is from port number 21 to 100. Click on enter button. So it will start scanning of our all the ports which are coming from port number 21 to port number 80. And from 21 to port number 80, port number 21, port number 23, 53 and port number 80 which is available, and these are the four ports are open. And the service which is associated with the port number 21 is FTP. For port number 23 is Telnet. For port number 53 it is a domain, and for port number 80 the service is HTTP. And all these ports are open. Now I am scanning for NMap 192.168.1.1, then -p, and we need to specify here the UDP port as well as our TCP port. So I am specifying here capital U colon 53 comma capital T colon 21-25 comma 80. So the meaning for 21-25 is we are scanning the port from port number 21 to till 25, that is 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. We are scanning this port from 21 to 25 comma, and we are specifying here port number only 80. So total 6 port will be scanned under TCP category and 1 port will be scanned under UDP category. So you can click on enter button. It will start scanning and it will display here which ports are open and which ports are closed. Now we are executing our next command, that is nmap 192.168.1.1-p-, which will scan all the ports which are available open. So now it will start scanning of our all the port. So 10.56% scanning is completed. Once it will reach to 100%, it will display our result. So meanwhile, I am opening another command prompt, and I will execute my next command. If suppose I need to specify specific port, then I can type here one NMap 192.168.1.1-P, and I need to specify only port number. Ports are HTTP and HTTP, that is HTTPS. We can also specify the port number, we can also specify the name of the port. So in the previous example, we have seen the port number, and now we are specifying here port name. So port name is, service name is HTTP and HTTPS. So it will start scanning for our HTTP and HTTPS service. So port number 80, port number 8008, which is associated with the HTTP, and port number 443, which is associated with our HTTPS. And these two ports are open. One port is filter. Now, whenever you have to do it for a fast scan, you can type here NMap 192.168.1.1 dash capital F. So it will start scanning the fast. This is called as a fast port scanning of our 100 ports. Now the next command is NMap 192.168.1.1 dash dash top dash port 2000. So it will scan top 2000 ports which are available as open as well as close and filter. So for fast scanning, it will display the outputs. So these are the open ports are available. So now I am typing my next command nmap 192.168.1.1 dash dash top dash ports and then 2000. So I have typed here 200. So it will start scanning of my 200 top ports which are available. So now the next command is for dash P dash 65535. So these are the leaving of initial port in a range that makes the scan starts at the port number 1. And we have to end with the port, then we can specify here P0 dash. So it will scan the range that will be go up to port number 65535. So these are the two commands which are available also for scanning of including and excluding of that particular specific port number. So now you can see the output for the top 200 ports, and they have displayed top 200 ports with the open and the filter category. And you have executed it for dash P dash. You can observe here the open ports are available for the specific category. And the services which are associated like FTP, Telnet, domain, HTTP, HTTPS, and unknown port. So in this video, we have executed our nmap command for a port specification.